Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D. And today we're here with my first lock tutorial. And of course, I will be doing my husband's starter locks. We will be retwisting and styling. So the first thing I like to do is start off with sectioning off my husband's locks. Moving on, I go straight into reparting his locks. This step is optional. You don't have to repart each time, but that's something that I choose to do. Like I said, if you choose not to, it's up to you. Now, I did forget to show you guys the product that I used to twist my husband's lock. I know, rookie mistake. I picked this up at this year's natural hair show, and I love it because you do not have to sit under the dryer, and that's perfect because my son also has locks and hated sitting under the dryer. Nor do you have to use any clamps, but you just want to take your little comb, work the product through the locks, and begin to twist. That's it. And once the locks are retwisted, I just take them and secure them with the clamp. And you just want to repeat those steps again and again and again until the head is fully retwisted. Now, once the locks are all twisted, you want to begin to style them. First thing you have to do is start off with two locks and begin to twist them like you would twist natural hair. Just want to twist them all the way up to the ends. Then once you meet the ends of the locks, you want to take the lock that's closest and begin to wrap it around that twist. But I'm just wrapping that lock around that twist. And just doing the same thing to the other side until all the locks are wrapped around that twist. Once the locks are wrapped around the twist, you want to secure them with a rubber band. After securing them with the rubber band, you just want to repeat those steps. You want to place the big twist right in between and begin to wrap the locks around that twist, and just keep repeating the steps until you reach your end point. This will be my end point, so I will secure the end with the rubber band, and then all you have to do is take the remaining hair and just put it up into the ponytail, and boom, you got a barrel roll into a ponytail, and that's it. The locks in the back give the illusion that all the hair is in the ponytail. And this is what it should look like once you are done. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Please like if you would like to see more lock tutorials, and subscribe because there will be more tutorials coming your way. Until next time, bye bye.